of your voice makes me want to kill myself. And when I look at you, I feel like to gouge out my eyes with my own bare hands. How is it that you're still alive, hale and hearty as ever? The thought of your existence makes me want to curse the gods for creating you. Obidia, don't even think of accusing me of harassing your son, because he should have known better than to greet me.
Then why did you answer him? Why did you answer him? Couldn't you have gone your way like any normal human being? Why are you always harassing my son? Eh? So why do you always like attacking my son? Why do you always like attacking my son?
Hey! Hey, stop that!
Hey! Obiago! Obiago!
Get inside.
Troublesome woman!
Obiago!
I said two of you.
Obiago, warn your wife, oh! Warn your wife!
Okwagi? Okwensu.
Ekwama! Ekwama! Ekwama!
It seemed to me that the reason you are here every day you wake up, I may have paid your bride price, but that does not give you any right over this household. You are absolutely of no significance to me. You are not the mother of this compound. Obidie is. Obidie is the mother of this household. Let it get into your head. Any day you will insult her and her son, I will sever your head from your body. Do I make myself clear? Do I? It's all my fault. It's all my fault.
My husband, you don't have to blame yourself. Please.
It is. If I had waited on the gods, I wouldn't have married her. If I had continued to believe that the gods will give me a child from the woman I love so much, I wouldn't have run into this rash decision of marrying her.
My husband has been years. For how long will you continue to blame yourself? For how long will you continue to torture yourself? This woman gave you 2 children before mine came. So it's not entirely a wasted effort. Please, stop blaming yourself.
I am very sorry, Obidie. I am sorry you have to put up with this for the rest of your life. If I
My
know...
husband, please stop all this. This is on both of us, remember? I encouraged you to marry her. I encouraged you to bring her in. This is her home, her house. So she's free to do anything or say anything that she likes. I don't have a problem with it. The only problem that I have is that she should stop attacking my child. I just wish she would stop attacking my child. That is the only issue that I have.
She will have to stop. Yes, I will put her to where she belongs. Oh yes.
Oh, Nine, let me get you food.
Did I tell you I was hungry?
I know, but you need to eat to brighten your mood. Your mood is not good at all. Besides, your son is here. I'm sure he wants to tell you something. So let me leave both of you.
Ugobuzo, What is it this time? Is it one of your visions? Or did you hear a voice? Huh? Now that you are seated, please tell me. I'm getting nervous.
Father, please, I'm not a seer, neither do I hear voices. I just have a message for you.
Then you are a messenger.
Father, please, just listen to what I have to say.
Oh, do I have a choice? Speak on. I am all ears.
Father, how close are you with the king? I know you are friends, but I don't know if you can be able to tell him this.
Obuzo, I know you are a gifted child, and I thank the gods every day for that. What is it that you want me to tell the king? Please, I don't want to get myself into trouble.
Father, he is doing something extremely terrible that may cause harm in Amakeze kingdom in the future. You have to go and tell him to stop that alliance. Warn him to cut off their union.
Gobuzo, my son, let me understand you properly. What do you mean by alliance and union? Let me get you so that I don't...
I can't even explain that myself. If you will excuse me.
Serious trouble.
Trouble? How? That is not even possible, I know it.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
So, tell me, what exactly are we going to tell Mama if she wonders why we left the house so early?
Tell Mama. Tell Mama what? Nothing now, who cares?
Go now. What exactly is wrong with you and Mama? Why are you so rude to her?
So,
I'm beginning to think that you enjoy fighting with her.
so you're saying you both are now suddenly best friends?
It's not like we...
Adama, please. Please. Let's talk about something more reasonable and important and leave Mama.
I just don't like...
This is strange. I don't understand. What? My goodness.
I feel the same way too. It is. Yes.
No wonder you bring me out here to discuss in private.
Yes. I don't know where else to go or whom else to talk to convey this message to the king. Then I thought of you, the best friend to the king.
Obiago, are you saying that your son did not tell you the sort of alliance the king is forming or who is forming it with?
If he did, I wouldn't have been as confused as you are right now.
Then what am I going to tell the king? How do I raise this sort of topic to him when I don't even understand it myself?
Just convey the message the same way you had it. That's all.
Why didn't you go and convey the message yourself? Why look for somebody to convey the message for you?
Each year.
Obiago, listen. I don't understand what is going on here. And I don't understand. Listen, I want to get out. I don't want to be part of this. If your son has any message for the king, let him go and let it flow from his mouth. I'm not part of this.
Ekemeze, you are getting this whole thing wrong. You are getting it wrong.
No, Obiago, let me ask you this. What is it with your son? What is the deal? Who is he? Is he a seer? A witch doctor and Obanja? What is he?
Ekemeze. I think this conversation has come to an end.
Oh, it has ended. No, come back. Come, let us discuss rubbish about the king. What is wrong with you people? Look at this man, oh.
How dare he? I am the king of Amakese kingdom. Nobody challenges me like that.
My king, if you ask me, this is not enough reason to get you worked up. The young one might have had a nightmare and decided to make a big deal out of it.
I want to believe that that is what it is. But even at that, how dare he challenge me like that?
My king, for a reason, the young man believes that he's a seer. And so many people in the kingdom had attested to it that had made some prediction that came to pass in the past. But to me, I believed he might be an Obanja.
Yes. That should explain it. How come that little boy feels that he has the right and guts to send that kind of message to me?
My king, like I said before, don't allow this to rob you of your peace of mind. Please.
Oh, believe me, Che, it won't. But I will crush him like a cockroach if he comes any close to me.
My king, it has not come to that.
You better not get there.
How many times have I warned you never to lay your filthy hands on me again? Hey, Chika, how many times? What do I have to do to get you to stop coming to my house? Chika, I don't love you. Chika, I will never love you. Chika, the very day I start seeing you like a woman will be the very day I go blind. So please, stop following me around. Woman, have some respect and stop throwing yourself at me.
What is it? What's happening here?
I'm simply trying to keep this woman away from me. That's what's happening.
Ugo, did you slap her?
And what if I did?
Ugo, let me tell you something, my friend. When I get married, and it takes my wife 5, 10 to 50 years to conceive a child, I will leave it. Sorry to say this, but your father is a perfect example of what I should.
Akonuche, Adanko is not really bad anyway.
She's evil. Let us leave it that way. She's an evil woman.
I just feel she's a woman who did all she could to get love, but married the wrong way. A woman who cries for love, but could not find it. Love she will never have. Love that is gone forever.
Ugo, how do you manage to make the most ugliest things beautiful? You said you are not a seer, not a messenger of the gods, not a spiritualist, but you behave like one.
Oh, Akonuche, here we go again.
But it is the truth. The other time you asked me not to go to the farm, I went to the farm and I got a snake bite. I could remember when I first sick, you asked me to put salt inside water, mix it together and pray to the gods for mercy. I did. I regained my strength back. Okay.
It's okay, Akonuche. That's enough. That's enough. You have said enough. I wonder why Ijoma is not here yet. I don't know what is keeping
Ugo.
What?
Speaking of the true love that will forever last.
Oh, see. Akonuche, how many times have I told you that
You are not in love with Ijoma.
So, yes.
Why are you always saying this?
See, I don't know.
Talk of the devil.
She's here. She's here. Ijoma, you're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm fine. Where is your walking stick?
Oh, it's at home. You see, I finally convinced my mother that I can actually walk and see perfectly well without it. So how are you?
Not exactly fine. I had a terrible dream about you and your stepmother.
Hmm. Talking in tone with the universe. What is it?
What do you mean?
Nothing. It's nothing. Don't worry about it. So, how are you?
Ugo, I want you to be very careful. That woman is up to something.
Oh, of course. She's always up to something.
Exactly.
You're right. You're right.
What is happening?
Don't know, to be honest, I don't. She hasn't said the words since she returned.
This is not good. Not good at all.
You know, I'm just wondering how long this particular drama will last.
Nine. Nine, you're welcome.
I know. But why? Eh? You have never greeted anybody before.
Dave, I am very sorry. I know this is coming as a surprise to you, but sincerely, I am deeply sorry. I had a self-realization today. Frankly, I am tired. I am extremely tired of fighting.
You had a self-realization today.
Yes, Nani. When you reminded me that you brought me in here, that you paid my bride price and brought me in here as your wife, I had time to think about it and I figured that you were right. You did not only bring me in here as your wife, you also have accorded me so much respect a man should accord to his wife. And I've been taking all of them for granted.
Adak.
Now you're a very good man. I'm sorry, Nai.
Adak. What are you up to?
Your forgiveness, Nai, your forgiveness is what I'm up to. And to tell you how serious I am ready to make up things between Obidia and her son. I'll do everything in my power to make things right between us. Nai, become.
Chika. Chika, you're too beautiful for this. What do you see in that man exactly? A man who will treat a woman like this is not worth it at all, and he has even shown signs of violence.
No. No. Oguna is not violent.
Oh, he slapped you. How else do you get to know a violent man?
Yes, he slapped me. I touched him. And he lost his temper.
Listen to yourself. You touched him. You literally laid a hand on his shoulder and you got a slap for it as if you tried to rape him. Chika, please, how else do you want to be convinced that this man doesn't want you? He has made it clear in so many ways.
He didn't make anything clear to me. He did not. Oguna is just a young man that has a lot on his mind. I believe with time we should come to realize how much I love him.
Oh, Chika, why will you stop dreaming and be realistic? Let me tell you, unrepeated love is the worst thing that can happen to any human on earth. Chika, you've suffered enough. You've suffered enough. Listen, Arinze is another fine young man in this village that loves you. Why not give him a chance before it's too late?
Like you just said, unrequited love is the worst thing that can ever happen to human beings on earth. But I don't love Arinze. Will it be fair to him if I marry him?
You know, people seem to think that we're in love.
Of course I love you. You're my best friend.
Hmm. So then why do you keep rejecting your suitors?
How did you know that?
Well, I just did.
Well, I've been rejecting them because I haven't seen anyone I love to marry yet.
Hmm.
So please, can you do me the favor of changing the subject?
Well, in the process of changing the topic, can we now go back to where you have a dream of me and my stepmother, whatever, whether you don't want to tell me?
Does it really matter?
Oh, yes, it does.
Well, I just want you to be extremely careful. That's all.
Really?
Yes.
Of course I am. And you know I will always do. Okay.
My co-wife, you're welcome. You're welcome. The least you can do is to answer my greetings. Well then, may I have your basket?
What do you think you're doing?
Obidia, I am very sorry. I'm sincerely sorry for everything I have done to you. Eh? I don't deserve this apology. I don't deserve it. Since your husband married me and brought me in, and I was able to conceive and give him children that you were unable to do, I have been so unkind to you. Honestly, you don't deserve everything I have done to you. I am deeply sorry for everything I have done to you. Biko no, gbaalụ biko Obidia. I'm sorry. Gbaalụ biko. I know you don't trust me. Metụrụ gị ya n'ọnụ. Nekwe ya. Leenu onye dị. Biko no. Leenu nke asaka. Wonderful.
Delicious.
Thank you.
She clearly didn't poison that food because I was there throughout the cooking and dishing.
Aside from that, she wouldn't have eaten that food that she poisoned it.
I know. So then, what is she up to?
If you ask me, who will I ask? Mama is up to a lot.
Mama?
What is happening here? Mama?
Son, are you back? You're welcome.
My son, I know that you'll be surprised to see me eating with my co-wife. Adakoya has realized her mistakes. And she's willing to make amends. No matter all that have been happening in this family, we are still one, we are still a family. You know, go on. So no cause for alarm, eh? She's willing to make amends.
My son, I made lunch for the family. And I swear I did not poison
She
it.
did not. She could. Don't you see me? I'm eating.
Mama?
Please, can I get you some?
Come and join us now. I'm going to bring it. I'll talk to him. Okay, don't worry. I'll talk to him, eh? You worry too much. He's my son. Isn't he? I'll talk to him. Eat. Finish your food, don't worry. He will come around. You know, go. She did not only taste the food, she ate it with me. So what is your problem?
Does that mean that you should trust her with your life? Mother, I can't believe this is happening.
Adako wants peace. And she has taken the appropriate steps to let us know. What is your problem?
The truth. A peek into Adako's mind. Because I know she's up to something. Yes.
I am not a fool. Need I remind you that I am way older than you? I am experienced. Adako wants peace. The least we can do is to humor her by giving her a chance.
By sharing a plate of food with her?
Am I dead yet? Do I look poisoned? Or does it look like as if I'm going to drop dead in the next minute? What exactly do you want, my son? Eh?
Mother! That woman hated you the very first day she set her eyes on you. And she wasn't subtle about it at all. All of a sudden, she just woke up one morning and decided to make peace. And you believed her.
Yes, I do. I believe her because I want peace too. Enough of all these wranglings. I want peace in our family. Ugo Muzuo, we've had enough problems in this family. Let there be peace. Glad I think the problems are over. And now you listen to me, son. Adako and her children are your family. So you're going to treat them as such. Right?
Mother, all I am saying...
Enough! Enough of this cynicism for one day. This matter is over.
Mama, he did not touch it too.
Chalo, wow, Ugoma, you mean your father did not touch my food?
Why does that surprise you, Mama? Why would he reject your food? Your man you've never for once offered food all through the years he married you?
We're gonna stop.
If I were to be in his shoes, I would do the same. Come jog, Mama. What are you even up to?
Because Seba Popico.
Obi dear, it's been over 20 years I married that woman. Not once has she cooked for me. Suddenly, she wakes up this morning and decides to be my cook. And you are comfortable with it? Eh?
Nai, if she had wanted to kill you, she would have done so a long time ago, don't you think?
Obi dear, if this is your own way of convincing me that Adak has changed for good, I will tell you here and now that it's not working. Or they are walk.
Yeah. But
let me go to my brother's place and eat. Eh? Obi dear, let me go to my brother's house and eat. Eh? That's what I'm going to do. Eh? What is it? Are you seeing one of your visions? Was it why we stopped suddenly in the middle of the road?
No, Papa, are we doing the wrong thing? Should we have given Adako the benefit of doubt for the peace she's proposing? The only thing about this is I don't have a good feeling about it, the whole thing.
What do you think?
I think I'm not just okay with the whole thing. I'm not just alright with it.
Well, the only thing I know is that I don't trust her either.
What I don't get is why Mama is so adamant about the whole thing.
One thing you have to understand, son, is that your mother has always been an advocate for peace. That was one of the major reasons I fell in love with her. But don't worry yourself. I believe she will come to her senses.
But Papa, I'm very worried about the food she shared with Adako. What if that food was poison?
Son, Adak may be many things, but definitely not a stupid woman. Which is why I think even if she wants to do it, she will not want to harm any member of this family because she will be the first to be suspected. It will be foolish on her to do that. In fact, I believe this is one of her other ways of causing trouble or throwing tantrums.
Papa, I don't know. I don't know why. I don't just have a good feeling about the whole thing. But no problem.
Emeka, you shouldn't be here now.
Why now?
My father would soon be out, and what if he sees you here?
Damma, you sound as if I have bad intentions towards you. Look, Ada, I love you. And even if your father misses us here, I'll still tell him same. Besides, I don't see anything wrong with coming to see if my woman has some morning chores. I even wanted to fetch some water for you.
I am not your woman. And even if I am, I haven't given you my consent concerning marriage.
Ada.
So, you have no business meeting my father.
My love.
Please, don't come back here again.
My love.
I am not.
What's happening here?
Go now, my brother.
I am not your brother. And I asked the question.
Emeka will just leave him.
Just leaving. And why am I still looking at him?
Adamma, please.
Emeka, if you don't leave here right now, I will hurt you so bad in a way you will never recover.
Go now, my brother.
I said, if you don't leave here right now.
Okay. I'm going. But I'll be back for you, Adamma, because I love you.
And I'm waiting for you. Moron. How do you know this kind of man? If he comes back here, I'll kill him myself. So, why am I standing here with you?
You need to stop it.
Excuse me?
Put an end to it.
Put an end to what?
Don't make me say it. Because you know, because I won't, and you know why.
Now listen. I will not stand here and...
If you cannot help yourself with something, then it's a problem. And there is no problem without solution. Put an end to it before it destroys you.
Hey, I hope he's not going to rain today.
Hey.
Eh?
Are you people going already?
Yes, so we are already late. Let's just rush and get some coffee.
I was wondering if I could accompany you. You know, when my son goes for hunting and my daughter goes to the market, I'll be left alone at home.
Really?
Doing nothing. And you know her husband does not speak to
In that
me.
case, you can come
There'll
with
be
us.
nobody to talk
Mother! You can come with us. Yes, no problem. Come with us, no problem.
All right, Ngwana.
No problem. Let's go.
Let me get my...
Hey! Mother!
Obidia!
Mother!
Obidia! Obidia! Hey! Obidia!
Mother!
Obidia! Obidia! Hey, you want no more?
Mother!
This accusation of yours is very serious. So. Are you sure?
Ekweme, do I look stupid to you? Don't I know what is happening in my household again?
Ah! Oh, it's just so obvious. So clear. I mean, why would Adaku set herself up like that? Why?
Onye kpatara nkụ ahụhụ si ngwere bịakwute ya ọrịrị. That is what is happening in my house. Oh yeah.
You know what? There's just one way. Only one way.
Woman, repeat after me. Gods of our ancestors.
Gods of ancestors.
If I have a hand in the death of my co-wife, Obidia,
If I have a hand in the death of my co-wife, Obidia,
give me punishment worse than death.
What?
I mean,
Talk! Before I tear you apart, I will kill her here.
Have you gone deaf and dumb? Open your mouth and speak. Sapon Kwoku.
Obiago, get a grip of yourself. This whole madness will end right here and now.
I'm innocent.
I prove that you are innocent here.
Woman, open your mouth now and say what you are supposed to say. Otherwise, I will strike you down.
I'm innocent.
Oh, he was innocent.
Then prove it.
You're innocent now, eh?
Prove it!
God of ancestors. If I have a hand in the death of my co-wife, Obidia, give me punishment that is worse than death.
Now, drink.
Drinky.
I'm innocent, oh. I'm
Innocent. Innocent Adako. Prove it.
Drink this. Drink it to prove your innocence.
I'm innocent.
Drink!
Woman, I said drink!
I'm innocent, oh.
Drink the thing. Prove it. Prove it.
I'm innocent, oh, you see. I've been telling you people that I'm innocent, but you wouldn't believe me.
People call me a seer, yet I didn't see this. They think I'm a messenger of the gods, yet no single message came to me foretelling my mother's death. Now those people who call me a man of many talents and gifts, I wonder what they would be saying now. I wonder what they would be saying now, seeing what happened, that I couldn't save my mother.
Ugo, I want you to understand that no matter how gifted we are, no matter how close we think we are with Chukwu Okike, it doesn't make us omniscient.
Neither does it mean that we are capable of any events scheduled to happen by fate. There are some things that are just not simply inevitable.
Yes, you're right. No matter how hard we try, no matter how we fight, death is inevitable.
What if she actually did it?
Are you trying to tell me you don't believe she did it?
Ugonna, why do I always have to remind you that she's our mother?
Adamma, why do I always have to tell you that I'm perfectly aware of that fact?
Ugo, Mama may not come back from that shrine alive. Does that not bother you?
Does it look like I'm still in need of a breast milk?
Oh, you're a monster!
That could give birth to me.
Oh, Nne.
Mama, I'm there.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma. And you?
We thank the gods.
It is well, Mama.
Thank you. Messia.
What?
Chika, sometimes you surprise me. I can't believe you're worried about a woman like Adako. Even the entire people of Amakezi can really swear that she has something to do with her co-wife's death. And here you are worrying about her.
I'm just trying to say, even the most deadly criminals are innocent until proven guilty.
Chika, seems like it's your love for Ghana that has blinded you. Because as it stands now, you are in seriously need of an eye-opener.
Anyway, you can think whatever you want. I still stand by my words.
We can't just sit here and do nothing.
Oh, Madam. Adamma, why are you bothering me? If you were so worried about Mama, why didn't you go to the shrine with her?
You're such a heartless fool.
Same to you.
You know, Mama could come back alive and the shame will be ours.
Good. Why do you speak like you expect her dead?
Hey! Thank the gods! I have been vindicated. Thanks to the gods of our lands.
She's innocent.
Says who?
You're such a monster.
I have been vindicated. Shame to my enemies.
She took an oath and survived. What other proof do we need?
Papa, why are you shouting at me now? Is it a crime to come and ask you if I should get your food?
I said I don't want to eat. Are you deaf? Eh? What is wrong with you? Look at what now. Huh? Yeah.
What's going on here?
I only came to ask Papa if I should get his food and he's here yelling at me.
Papa, you may not want to eat, but you can as well go hungry. But please, do not yell at my sister. What kind of has she committed? By asking you if she could get you food? Papa, if you have issues with your second wife, go sort it out with her. And don't take it out on us.
Kugon, now what happened? Kadama. What happened now? Yeah. Obiago. Yeah. For what you say, I'm not getting. First, go to Kafasi me. Nobody could say anything. Yeah. Oh.
Why are you here, Obiago?
I can't believe you're asking me that question.
Obiago, need I remind you that I'm the servant of the gods? And I deserve some respect.
I need answers. That's why I'm here.
I can't help you.
What do you mean?
Understand it whichever way you wish. Obiago, when you got married to Obidiye, and she cannot conceive for years, you should have waited.
What do you mean?
Obiago, someday you will find the answers that you seek.
Wait! Please wait!
Welcome.
I would have loved to say thank you, but the look on your face is seriously discouraging me to do so.
Why wouldn't I be happy? You're my sister and my brother. I just woke up this morning like every other morning to find you gone. I wonder where you used to go, but I'm glad you're back.
And how is that your business?
I wonder.
Oh yes, you're right. It's definitely none of my business. I'm just wondering why you are coming back now.
I think this should be the right time to tell you that if you don't stop wondering and start minding your business, I will make your life miserable in this house.
You just lost your mother. I think you should stay out of trouble.
You won't eat my food, eh? But you will cook separately in my house? You want to make use of my firewood and my yam? No, you can't make use of them.
But these are not your yams. And they are not your firewood too. I got them from the farm.
Onyekusi. Which farm? Which farm? Do you think you still have a place here? Eh? Oh, Chakwalo, you think you still have a place in this house? Eh? Both the farm, every property in this house belong to my children. What you used to have was your mother. She has gone. You have no place here.
I keep telling you, all I need is your permission. Just a go ahead from you. I'll waylay the woman inside the village. I beat her to death.
Akonute, first of all, I want you to know that violence is not the answer to everything. And secondly, you sound like an idiot.
I'm serious. That woman needs to be put in her place. She's treating you like a slave in your father's house.
Ugo, I'm sorry to say this, but this time around I stand with Akonuche. That woman is beginning to bite more than she can chew.
And one day the gods will shame her.
That is what you keep saying.
And that's what it says.
You forget. The gods may have given us humans the gift of hands and legs to be able to handle some shameful human beings ourselves.
Okonoche, please. As you can see, I just finished eating a good meal. Please allow it to digest in my body. And by the way, Ijoma, your food tastes nice.
Thank you. And do not forget that this is your second home. You can always come here anytime, any day.
Oh, thank you.
Love one thing. Can I also come here? Anytime, any day?
No.
Did you even allow me to complete my statements?
Why would you suggest that?
Do I look hungry and stupid to you? Hey, Chika. How many times have I warned you to stay away from me? Oh, because they say the way to a man's heart is through his stomach, and suddenly you decided to give it a try. My friend, get out! Leave my house! Get out! Stupid fool.
My goodness! Chika, what happened? Let me help you.
Don't touch me.
At least let me.
Don't touch me.
Why would she just allow me to help her? Why would she just understand that I love her?
What is wrong?
I'm not your mother!
This egg is here now, and he crossed it and didn't die. Ekoba told me that immediately he crosses it, he will die. Ekoba!
Mama!
I'm not your mother!
What is it now?
I said I'm not your mother!
My king, I want you to understand that I'm not here to make any troubles. That it is not my intention to disrespect you. But I had to come myself to pass this message to you. Put an end to that alliance. Put an end to that relationship. It might destroy you in the future.
I see.
You know, sometimes what we think is the best thing for us. That thing we think is extremely making us happy might be killing us. So for the sake of the future of this kingdom, put an end to that alliance.
Thank you.
Hey! Even you went to the king yourself? Huh? Did I tell you that I will not take the message across? You just gave me the message few days ago. Huh? And you left me and went to the king. Look at what he has earned you. Huh? They would have killed you. Ugobuzwe. Why? Why?
Papa, the most important thing is pass the message across to him. And if it's not true, if that's a lie, he wouldn't have did what he did to me. He wouldn't have done what he did to me.
Ha! Ugobuzwe. No one's place in the den of lion. This would have cost you your life. Hey! Cheme.
Why is she always like this? Where does she always go to?
you now have hatred for Cutlass? Why are you staring at me like that?
Ugonna, why do you keep asking me questions you have answered?
And what do you mean by that?
Ugonna, you know exactly what I mean by that. You know exactly the reason why I'm standing here.
Is it just me? Or are you trying to provoke me intentionally?
Put an end to it, Ugonna. It is disgusting. It's an abomination. It's a sacrilege. Stop it now.
Is it that you release the idea of getting it sorted every single day of your life? What exactly you want from me, Arize? I'm starting to begin to get tired of this game. I should not be playing with you.
The gods forbid it, Chika, that I play games with you. If only you will look and see what I feel for you.
And I have seen it. Which is why I was trying to tell you that whatever it is you feel for me disgusts me. I don't want you. I don't feel you. Whenever I look at you, I see nobody. So I waste my time on just like this.
Chika Bikono.
Arize, please! Enough! I'm sick tired of this rubbish.
My love.
Arize, if you take one more step towards me again, I will scream rape.
Mbano, are you insane or you're trying to be? What is wrong with you? Why are you finding it difficult to understand the word no?
Adama, look, if you had said yes the very first day I came to you, I wouldn't have loved and valued you the way I do now.
Well then, it is quite unfortunate because in my own case, it is the other way around. If you had taken a no for an answer, I wouldn't be disrespecting and disregarding you the way I do right now. You know what? Each time I look at you, I see nothing but a madman.
Mua!
Emeka, leave me alone.
Hey, Omalecha.
Yes, I am too beautiful to be with a man like you.
Adama.
Come near me next time and I will curse you.
Amakenzo.
My king. Iche. My king. Where are you coming from?
I went for a walk.
Alone?
Yes.
Where are your guards?
I told them that they should leave me to myself today.
My king, is everything all right?
Yes. Yes. All is well. But now that I've seen you, you may walk me to the palace.
It's okay, let's go. Don't be nervous. Just listen to me. I make sure that nobody is here to hear us. Just tell me what I want to know. For how long had the king been taking all these works?
For as long as I can remember, Ichi.
What? Is he ill?
I don't know, Ichi. But he ordered us not to follow him. Anyone who does must be beheaded.
All the time?
All the time.
Ikemeze, you are my friend.
And believe me, if I had a problem, I'll tell you. Being a king with everyone running around day and night is not easy. A man needs to have some time to himself, to be alone with himself. Your Majesty, are you sure? Your Majesty, we have come a long way. And you of all people know that you can confide in me. I know. Which is why I'm telling you the truth. I am fine. Maybe what you need is another wife. What? My king, it's been years since the queen died. I have not made any effort to get another wife. How long are you going to continue remaining lonely? Ikemeze, you of all people know how much I loved my wife. I know, but... But what?
Let this be the last time you will raise this topic again.
I'm sorry, my king. Very sorry. You better be.
Arinze, what you're asking me to do is useless, and you know it.
Never say never. I'm just trying to claim what is my baby.
Chika is not yours, and she doesn't want to be. Why are you wasting your time and energy like this?
She is a woman. She doesn't mean it when she says no to me.
That means you don't know women at all.
But that doesn't mean I'm going to give up on her.
Then you are a fool.
I don't understand.
Yes, you heard me right. Because it's only a fool that will chase something that is far away. Something that he may never have. When that something is right in front of him.
You are not making any sense.
Arinze, Chika doesn't love you. And she may never love you. That doesn't mean she's the only one that deserves you on earth.
Yeah. I pray the gods that one day I'll turn around to see that woman.
If only you would turn around right now.
So, Mama, you look extremely happy today, which is very uncommon for the likes of you. Mama, what's your plan?
Ola, right?
Yes, Your Majesty.
What did you just tell me? Huh? What have you just said? I mean, this allegation you have made, are you absolutely sure?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Forgive me for asking. Why did you embark on this journey alone? Didn't you tell your parents? Why are they not here with you? I mean, you travel all the way from Amanasa Kingdom? That must be very brave of you.
Your Majesty, my parents are dead, and I just couldn't bring myself to open up to any member of my extended family.
I see. Okay. From the description you have given, I don't think it will be difficult to find a young man in this kingdom with an injury in one eye.
I'll send my guards to accompany you
on your inquiries into the kingdom and make inquiries. If you succeed to find him, then we will continue from there.
Thank you, my king.
You may rise.
You are looking for a young man, average height, dark in complexion, with an injury in an eye?
Yes, exactly.
I know no such man in this kingdom.
All right, thank you.
No, I've never heard of. Neither do I even know such a person. Have a good day and good luck with your search. But wait though, I wonder what Ugobuzo could have done to warrant these people searching for him like this. What do you go?
And I'm asking, why are you people looking for him like this? It's a simple question. What do you want from him? Why are you people searching for him around the whole village as if he's a common criminal?
You sound as if you know him. And if you do, it's better you take us right away.
What if I don't?
You know what? I'm not pretty convinced that this young man here knows exactly who we are looking for, but he's trying to play cover up.
Come, I don't care whether you are palace guard or something.
If he die, you take us to him or we take you right away. The choice is yours.
Fine. Get your filthy hands off me. We'll take you to him.
Good.
Akunuche, what's going on?
He's the one!
Huh?
You bastard! He's the one who raped me!
Who are you? What are you saying?
What is she saying?
Hey, what's going on?
What
is she talking about?
Saying? Wait,
What
please.
Who are you?
Please, wait. What?
Go down.
With all due respect, my king, I know my son to be a good boy. But if he has committed any offense, I implore you to temper justice with mercy. Please.
My dear,
Yes, Your Majesty.
can you please repeat exactly what you told me earlier?
Few days ago, in my kingdom, I was on my way to the market. He raped me.
That's a lie. Your Majesty, I have never done anything like that. I will never do such to a woman. Papa, please, my king, please believe me. It's a lie.
Young man,
my king,
are you saying that you've never seen this woman before?
I have never seen her in my life. I don't know her, my king. I have never seen her.
You bastard, you still have the guts to lie.
You know it's not true. Why are you doing this? Who sent you? Who are you? Papa?
Your Majesty, I stand by my son. If he says he did not do it to this girl, that means he did not do it.
He's lying. Shut your mouth. You're lying and you know it.
I swear by the gods, I did not do it. I don't know her.
There is only one way to find out the truth.
Chai! Awe man!
Did you hear anything?
Oh, what if you know? Did you hear?
I heard. My
Hey!
son told me.
Hey! Gigi,
I don't know why I have a terrible feeling about this whole thing. I just feel like it's not.
One thing is basic. One thing is basic. Our brother Obiago must surely kill himself if this turns out to be true.
Mbano.
Wait, but is it confirmed already? We're just waiting time. Hey! Hey! Your Majesty, it is true that our son has committed sacrilege. But please, Biko, our king, Eze Obidike II, temper justice with mercy.
Yes.
Please.
Please, Your Majesty, we will do anything. We will pay any amount to make this go away. Huh?
Is the woman
Your
is
Majesty.
yes, even if the woman is pregnant, we'll take care of the child. We'll take full responsibility.
And we will bind him to an oath, Your Majesty, so that whenever he sees another woman next time, he will not violate her.
Yes.
Oh, yes. It will be his last time, Your Majesty.
Biko.
Your Majesty, I am innocent.
You are not.
And I want you to stop saying that.
You will stop, Your Majesty. You will stop that.
Years ago, in this kingdom, a crime like this will be visited with death.
Yes.
Right.
You know that.
But very recently, Amaki's kingdom has started visiting our death laws. And because of that, I will give you a punishment that is worse than death.
Your Majesty, please.
Your Highness, he's innocent.
Your Majesty, please.
Hey, what kind of
Please. Your Majesty.
I
I beg you.
I, Eze Obidike II of Amaki's kingdom, hereby banish you.
Your Majesty, please. Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
Our brother.
Hey!
Obidike!
Christ.
Obidike! Obidike!
Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
Your Majesty, please!
Uncle. Uncle, I didn't do it. I didn't do it. Uncle, I didn't do it.
Gobuze, you have brought us down too low. Are you telling us the truth? And we are still here. If you are saying the truth, we wouldn't be here at all. Huh?
Hey, Gobuzo, what have you done? You did not even only break your father's heart. Eh? You killed him.
God of our land.
Why did you bring this kind of shame to us?
Uncle, I didn't do it.
Why?
I didn't do it. The gods behind this me witness that I did not do it. Oh. I didn't do it.
I think,
Uncle, please.
I think this is a summary disgrace to our family. Ekweme, what more do you have for him? What are we supposed to do? Let's go.
Please wait.
Young lady, you shouldn't be here. Go back.
I just want to.
Oh!
I, I didn't just know what else to do.
Okay, I will tell you what to do. I want you to go back home and be happy. Go back to those your suitors. Choose one of them and marry him.
No.
And be happy.
No, Ugo, I love you. I can't.
Young lady, he has given you the best option. Go back home, arrange one of your suitors, and get married to him. Let's go back.
Please.
Bye-bye.
Come on,
young lady. Young lady,
Nai, please
let's
help
go.
me.
Get back to the village. Come on.
He's innocent.
Leave him. He's judged. Go back.
Ugo Buswa. Please, Nai, please.
Come back.
Nai, please help me. Ugo Buswa.
Leave him. He's judged. Go back.
Adako has won again. She has done it again. How can a human being be so wicked?
Ebele, please. With all due respect, I don't like those words that are coming out from your mouth. Why are you accusing the poor woman? Did she rape the girl herself? If Ugobuzo was so innocent, why did the oath taken favor him?
You know, it is indeed true what they say. Love takes away all common sense.
Excuse me.
You heard me right. Because if you weren't in love with that woman's son, you wouldn't be defending her so much.
So are you not telling me that you have proof that Adako is responsible for all that has been happening in that family? Are you absolutely sure Ugobuzo did not rape that girl?
Are you saying that you can vouch for Adako? If you are taken to the shrine right now to swear on her innocence, can you do that?
Yes, because I know that woman is innocent. Coco. You on the other hand, can you do same? Can you vouch for Ugobuzo in that rape case?
Be careful, my friend, though, before you end up siding with evil unknowingly. I've told you my own.
I can't believe it. I'm never going to believe it.
EJ, I'm sorry to say this. It took an oath. He wasn't vindicated.
I don't care. Akonuche, you have known Ugobuzo all your life. Are you telling me that you believe he's capable of doing such a thing?
No, that is not what I'm saying. But
nothing. My Ugobuzo did not do it. I don't care what every other person may think. I would like to see him doing it with my own naked eyes before I can believe it.
EJ, you have to let go. He's gone. And if you continue doing this to yourself, you are going to simply get you.
I don't care. Not without Ugobuzo. I can't. They have taken Ugobuzo away from me. It is over. Let the gods judge.
No, it's not yet over. Life continues.
No.
All you have to do is to leave it.
No. Not without Ugobuzo. I can't.
I know you love him. But I'm pretty sure that there is another man out there that will love you the way he ever did.
That man does not exist. If there is any man that is capable of loving me more than Ugobuzwo, does not live on this planet Earth. And even if he does, it is impossible for me to love him back.
It's okay, Aichi. It's okay, it's okay. Ikemesi,
My king.
the events of today has left me so troubled.
Hey, you are right, my king. Considering the death of Ichiobiago, it's been a tragic day. But my king, you did your best not beheading that young man.
And yet, my heart feels so heavy. I feel very troubled. I don't have peace of mind. Iche, why is that? Why does it look like I have made the worst mistake I will ever make as a king?
My king,
Ah.
I am telling you, you are going to see him. Obira, listen. As long as I remain your father, you don't have a choice.
And I'm telling you right now that as long as I remain your son, I do have a choice. But I'm tired of all this. Every time it's from one year to another, only to get the same result, which is nothing. They have no solutions, no answer whatsoever. Why do I have to keep going to them? Father, I'm done.
No, you are not done. I agree with you that we've not gotten the result we're looking for. But the Odigo of Anam is a very powerful Dibia, and I believe
Father,
that...
listen to yourself. When Isiagu of Isunjaba was suggested to you, you said he was the most powerful seer in Ilunibu. Iweke of Idemili was suggested. You also said she was the most powerful woman in Ilunibu. Then came the turn of Ikenga of Ubunike. You said he can invoke lightning and thunder, which he tried and failed woefully. Now,
Enough. Obira, you have made your point. But no matter how old you feel, you are still my son. And it is my duty as your father to make sure that you are alive, whether you like it or not.
Father, I'm fine. Isn't that enough for now? Granted, this sickness has been very tricky. 1 minute it comes, the next it's gone. I don't know why it happens like that, neither do you. But I believe that one day we'll find the answers we are looking for. Right now, it's okay that I'm fine. It's not like I'm going to drop dead the next minute.
Son! My son can't be dead. My son can't be dead. He's my only son. The gods can't do this to me. My only son? No!
Obinna! Obinna! What is happening? Hey, God of our land! Gods of our land! Have mercy on us! My son is dead! Obinna, my son is dead! Obinna! Obinna! Hey! Obinna! Hey! Mo! Who will help me? Please! Have mercy on me! Obinna, my only son! Hey! Obinna! Hey! Chimewela mo!
Hey, Mama. Ada, Ada, what happened to you? Ada, wake up. Wake up, Ada, please, you can't die, oh. You can't die like the others. Ada, please wake up, oh. Hey, Chimo. Ada, please wake up, oh. Ada, please wake up.
Mama, Ukona. Gonna. Mama. Gonna.
Mama, what is it? Eh? Ugomma.
Why?
What does it look like this?
Why?
It's happening again. Why? Why your own name? Why your own name? Chelu, oh. Chelu.
Why?
Ndo, oh, ndo, sorry.
How long am I going to continue like this?
Again, the river is dried up again. Why is this always happening? Today is full, tomorrow is not, next tomorrow is full of dead animals. What sort of punishment is all this?
What is this now? For how long are we going to be getting harvest like this? Eh? You go to the market and you can't even get anything good. Then you come to your own barn, all you see is rotten food everywhere. Goes of our land. For how long are we going to continue like this?
What kind of bad luck is this? What is happening? And what have we done to deserve this?
Hey, husband, why is your face like this? No cut this time.
There was actually. But only that it was rotten.
Rotten?
You heard me right. The animal my trap caught was full of worms and flies before I could get there.
But, my husband, you set that trap this morning.
Even if it was yesterday, it shouldn't have been that rotten. This has been happening for quite some days now. How long can we go before we stop eating meat in this house? We will have nothing to sell. No more money in this house. What exactly is happening in this kingdom?
My husband, it is well. Even if you're not able to return him with any meat, we can manage whatever we have. And I will still cook your soup and it will still taste good.
Obim. You never stop to amaze me day by day. But I never made a mistake marrying you.
My daddy died.
Obim.
even know what your problem is in this house. Listen to me. If you had married the very wealthy Ojemba, like I begged you to, we wouldn't have been in this mess. How can you go to the market and come back to tell me, Mama, I didn't see any good thing to buy? How do you expect me to believe that? How do you even expect me to feed your younger ones? Hey, Joma, look at you. How can a grown-up child like you be this stupid? Listen and listen carefully. If you don't go out there and get food stuff for the family, don't bother coming back because I'll make your life a living hell. You will not like what I will do to you. Look at her. If you don't want to get married, you can as well be useful to your family. Eh?
Mama, why are you doing this now? You know there is nothing I can possibly do.
Oh, you're still talking? Wait, come and stand and talk. Come and stand. Why are you running? Come back. Look at her. Good for nothing. Look at her. Come and stand here and talk. Come and stand. Ha! Chineke na. Just look at this.
I'll confess. I'll confess.
Ezedibia! Ezedibia!
Hey, stop there!
Hey!
Woman.
Hey!
I am telling you, I cannot help you. Are you there? Now get out of my shrine.
Ezedibia, what makes you think you can treat me like this? Eh? I don't know what your problem is, oh, and I currently do not care. I just need you to...
Are you deaf? Now get out! I said get out!
Your Majesty, the gods are with you, no matter what the future says. Don't you ever forget that, Your Majesty. Don't you?
Your Majesty, I understand how you feel. I know he was your only son. But there's nothing the eyes will see that will make you shed blood. It must be tears. You are still young. You can still go ahead and take another very beautiful maiden from this kingdom. And the gods will see you with their eyes of mercy and give you male twins.
Yes. Yes, my king. My king, when you act this way, you made us faint. My king, I want you to know that we are with you. We are with you till the end. Come rain, come shine.
Obidike, over the years, you have stubbornly chosen to align yourself with a woman who has vowed to align with evil. She has committed great abomination against Amakenze kingdom. If you don't expose her, you and the entire Amakenze will pay dearly for it.
Great one. What does this mean?
Obidike, you know exactly what I mean. And you know exactly what I'm talking about. Get her to confess. Make things right for your people. Else, you pay dearly for it. And you live out your life regretting it.
Great one.
Obidike, make things right for your people. Get her to confess.
My king, where are you going? My king!
Mama, Mama, this has gone long enough. Mama, we have to do something. She's dying.
Ugonna, if you have any solution to this, why don't you tell me and I'll do something about it?
Mama, so are we just going to watch her die?
Ugonna, if you don't have anything reasonable to say here, shut up.
Mama. Mama, for one thing, Mama, I would have beaten you up right now.
Ugonna, I dare you to try.
Mama, you're provoking me.
Go ahead.
Mama, you're pushing me to the wall.
Lay your filthy fingers on your mother.
Mama, you're pushing me to the wall.
Beat up your own mother.
Mama, you're pushing me to the wall.
Beat me up, Ugonna. Beat me up.
Mama.
Beat me up.
Mama, you're pushing me to the wall.
I said beat me up, Ugonna.
Mama.
Beat me up.
Mama.
Your Majesty.
What have you done? I said, what have you done?
Okay, Akpo.
Your Majesty, please, Your Majesty.
Your Majesty. Please let go of me. You're hurting me.
Please, Your Majesty, please.
I ask you for the very last time. What abomination have you committed against this land?
Adako!
No, finish me.
Majesty, I haven't done anything.
Woman, you better start talking. Or else I'll begin to think of how to dismember you and your entire family.
Mama, if you've done anything, better confess.
I'll strike you dead.
If you have anything to say, say it now. Can't you see your daughter is dying?
What's wrong with her?
Your Majesty, she has been in labor for days. Can you come here to treat me like this?
I don't care if she dies until you tell me what I want to hear.
Your Majesty!
Shut up!
Okay, I'll confess.
And say it from the very beginning.
Ugobuzo did not rape that girl.
Hey!
Which Ugobuzo?
Ugobuzo, my stepson, the one you banished. He was innocent. He didn't rape that girl.
What is that supposed to mean?
I have hated that boy since the very day he was born. I didn't know how Obidia could get pregnant after years of barrenness, after giving her husband the children he desired. So, I went to make some inquiries, and after it was confirmed to me that the child was Obiago's son, I began to plot to kill him. I just wanted to end his life. But no matter how no matter how much I try, no matter what I do, he keep on progressing, bouncing, and there was nothing more I could do.
You are a witch. How dare you? Your Majesty, please permit me to kill this witch.
No.
So, I shared a plate of food. With Obidia. The food was not poison, but the meat itself was the poison.
How?
I know you all must be wondering how I managed to accomplish that.
Yes.
Tell us.
Over the years, with my dealings with Ekoba, during the process of trying to kill Ugobuzwa, he taught me so much about poison. I know a particular poison that is called Eat With Me and Die Alone.
Awesome. Silent! Please, can you tell us how you managed the poison called Eat With Me and Die Alone?
The poison never spreads unless you mix it thoroughly. It stays wherever you keep it. So, I poisoned the meat and I was carefully eating just the fufu and the soup. I particularly avoided the meat.
Hey! Hey! College of Life.
So I returned home, a frustrated woman, living out my days in frustration. Then one day, Obiago told me something. For how long am I going to continue like this? I have done everything you asked me to do, and nothing is working. Ekoba, the child you have been trying to kill since the very day he was born, is grown into a man. Isn't that a shame?
Watch your tongue, woman. Are you calling me a disgrace?
No. Not at all, but
the boy in question has a chi that is very strong. There is an aura surrounding him. A kind of force coming from his chi that has been preventing me from getting close.
over the years.
That is to tell you how long I've been trying.
It seems he equally have a great gift.
And a great destiny.
So, why don't you transfer his destiny to my son?
That means removing your son's destiny and replacing with his.
Can my son have to?
It is not possible.
So what do we do?
Woman, are you sure you want to harm this boy?
Can I judge? By all means possible.
Are you very sure about this?
I don't mind though. I don't mind.
Very sure about this?
I am very sure. I'm very sure.
Okay, I will help you. But you will give me something in return.
Something like what?
You.
I don't understand.
Spend 7 days with me, and at the end of the 7th day, I will put an end to Ugobuzu's life.
This is something you haven't been able to achieve in years.
That is because I have not been with a woman in years. Spend 7 days with me. Maybe at the end of the 7th day, we will come to know how powerful a man's body and soul becomes after experiencing the long-awaited orgasm. Are you ready?
So, I I decided there and then that I was going to kill Odidi. I hated her so much. I hated her with her son.
But you took an oath and we are vindicated.
And about that.
Yes, about that.
Where is that man? Useless man! Useless man, you are a fool! Is this what I get after 7 days? You are not sweet enough. You are stale, outdated, old and wrinkled in every place I touched you. That is to say, I was not satisfied. So how could I have done a better job for you? No wonder your husband went back to his first wife. How dare you! How dare you! How dare you raise your useless hands at me?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Ekoba.
Sorry for yourself.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I just lost my temper.
Sorry for yourself. Now, get out of my shrine before I change my mind.
I'm sorry, please
and
don't
kill the
me.
woman that has seen my nakedness.
I'm sorry, please don't kill me. I'm sorry. So, I took the oath. Then again, the calabash I held in my hand was nothing but ordinary water. So, I killed Obidia. Eventually, I realized I wasn't satisfied with her death. I needed to kill that boy.
Hey!
Then I hashed out a plan.
I never knew this. See, I want you to be sitting there. Hey! I never knew I was missing something all along. Yeah? Hi. See, I want you to come to us. See, you see about that young boy. The only way you can destroy that boy is by setting him up with a deadly crime. Eh? The kind of crime that will scare him for the rest of his life.
The boy is practically a saint. Eh? Nobody in this village will believe that he will ever commit any crime.
Not when there is actual witness. An innocent witness that will witness him committing the crime.
Again, you speak in parables.
All I need is a young man of his age limit that will commit the crime wearing his face.
Okay, you mean that while he's doing the deed, anybody who sees him will actually think he's Ugobuzu.
Exactly. That is my point. You have gotten my point now. So, it's a very easy thing to do. All you need is go to look for that boy. Or you have run along before people see us. Hi, man, your man.
So, I began to look for someone who is close to Ugobuzue. Ugobuzo's friend, who is willing to betray him. I found none until one day.
Why are you acting up like this? It's not like I've done something wrong. I merely said my mind.
And what gave you the guts to say that to me? How dare you?
Are you not a single girl? Am I not a single man? What offense did I commit?
Ugobuzo is your best friend.
Ugobuzo does not love you. I do. He does not want to marry you. I do. Why are you being so like this?
Really? You look at the both of us and you conclude that we are not in love? Then you must be a very big fool.
Ijeoma, please.
I will pretend this never happened. And I will equally do you the favor of not mentioning a word of this to your friend. Don't ever try this again.
I want you, Ijeoma. I want you by all means. I'm going to get you. Yeah.
Aka.
No.
I know you don't like the sound of what I'm saying or where I am heading to. But the question is, do you want Ijeoma or not? And if you say you do, are you willing to do what it takes to keep her?
Of course. I want Ijeoma.
Ibiano, then help me get Ugobuzo out of the way. And Ijeoma will be yours. And before she realizes what is happening, she'll be married to you.
Niadaku, Ugobuzo is my friend.
Your friend? Kinekusi konayamaro. But you are going after his woman. Are you ready to help me or not? Do not be a coward. It's not that we are going to kill him. A man who is in love with a woman should be brave enough to do whatever it takes to keep her.
Okay. What do I do?
Get him!
Your Majesty. I'm sorry, Your Majesty. Ugobuzo did not rape the girl.
What? Hey!
I did.
Kwesu, you are a devil. The devil incarnate.
Since then, I haven't had peace of mind. The goddess of Amakeze has been after me, telling me to confess. That is why I ran here. I'm sorry.
Before you die, you must surely pay for what you did to our nephew. Fool! Hey! Hey! It is you, Anadaku, that has kept this kingdom in turmoil all these years. Look at you. You betrayed your best friend. All because of your selfish desires. Hey. That is why they normally say that it is that person that you trust most that will lead you to your end. Yes. Hey.
Please, Your Majesty. Please help me. My daughter is dying. Please.
Who even implemented that? And why is he not here?
Yes. What's your name?
Are you deaf? Answer him.
He's dead.
Something tells me that Adaku is lying. I'm still ready to let your daughter bleed to death until you tell me the truth.
Oh, God, please. Tell them the truth. There's no point anymore. I'm dying.
I am responsible for my sister's pregnancy.
Hey! Gonna! See, you have destroyed us. You have just brought our story to an end.
Hey! Oh.
Ataku. Oh. So you knew? Oh. In fact, I should behead all of you.
I'm sorry.
But even that will not be enough. Yes, I should banish you. But that will be an easy way out of this problem. I know what to do. I will make sure that you remain where you are, but you remain as slaves.
Sacrilege. As for you, you are banished.
Hey, my king, please.
Oh, shut
Please,
up.
man.
Oh, shut up! Let me hear you say, please.
Swallow the rest.
I think we are done here.
Yes, you have it. Igwe.
Ugonna, why do you have to tell them the truth?
Why do you evil people end up like this?
Well, I guess there's a price for every single kind of evil that has ever been committed on this earth.
So what do we do with him?
As I leave him to rot, you mean?
What have I done to myself? How could I have wasted so many years of my life spinning for a man that never wanted me? A man who treated me like death. A man who was sleeping with his own sister. How did I even miss the signs? How could I have been so stupid? And why couldn't I just bring myself to understand that sometimes no means no? Now in my desperate bid to get something I knew quite well that I would never have, I have succeeded in giving away something that should have been mine in the first place. And now I will probably end up spending the rest of my life alone.
I knew it. I was so sure of it. He was innocent, yet they sent him away.
It's okay. It's over now. We just have to move on, understanding the fact that Igbobuzo will never come back.
Mama, why would you say that? It's not encouraging. Are you trying to tell me that you do not have any faith in him at all?
No. What I'm simply saying is that, my daughter, you have to move on. Don't forget, you deserve all the happiness in this world. Yes, Igbobuzo have been vindicated, but he is not here, and we are not even sure of his return. Move on, please.
Mama, please. I do not know if it is what you are thinking, but if you are about to nag me again into finding another man for myself, then let me tell you right here and now that I am still not ready.
Then, let me tell you, until you come back to your senses, you will continue living in this house in perpetual hell. Nonsense! I should have ended it a long time ago. I went on with your selfish desire. Look at where it has gotten me now. An outcast and the mother of a dead child.
Are you trying to tell me you didn't enjoy any of it?
You are going to stand there and claim right? You have no shame, Ugonna. You have no repentant soul in you. Look at me. You destroyed my life.
And you've destroyed mine too. Look at me. You feel I have no regrets? Look at our mother. I hate her. I hate everything.
That makes the two of us. I just want to kill myself. I hate you, Ghana. I hate you. I can't be murder.
The feeling is mutual. Absolutely mutual.
Adaku, leave my farm. Leave my farmland. I don't have any vegetable. Just take a look at it. Leave my farmland. Come to think of it. How dare you even think of coming close to me? Or even talking to me, Adaku? Eh? Get out of here, or I will scream and call the villagers together. And you know exactly what they will do to you. You are rude. Look at her. Look at her. Go and die of hunger. That is what you deserve. Wicked witch.
We used to be friends, so. Kina Lozoko. Lozoko.
Yes, Adaku. We used to be friends. That was then. Then. Adaku. Tufiakwa. I can never be your friend. Adaku, go and die of hunger. You disgusting Oru. Go and die of hunger. That's what you deserve. I don't even know why you're still... Get out! Get out! Nonsense. Look at her. Evil woman. Evil. Go with your evil way of life. Nonsense. Chimo. This woman.
Your Majesty, you have to be strong. Stop rejecting your medicine. The herbalists say you should have been better by now if you have been taking them. Why are you bent on killing yourself?
Don't you understand that it is over?
How?
Don't you understand that all hope is lost?
No, Your Majesty, no.
It's been weeks, and all the people I sent to the evil forests are not back yet. Do you need somebody to tell you that they are all dead?
Your Majesty, is that enough reason for you to kill yourself? Has anybody come to tell you to step down from the throne yet?
Just a matter of time.
No, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, Amakeze is in serious trouble right now. And we can't afford to have a dead king and an empty throne on our hands. Nobody, I repeat, nobody is ready to take the throne. Everybody is busy trying to solve their problem of hunger. Your Majesty, even the rich in Amakeze are crying right now.
Which makes me a king who is incapable of solving his people's problems.
No, Your Majesty. No. You should stop talking like that. Please don't die on us. You are our only hope. The only hope of Amakeze.
How dare you? Do you know how hard it was for me to go about stealing from people's farmland and houses? You put us in this terrible situation and yet you cannot do anything about it. Other than pay the baboon that is what the monkey has worked for. Can you imagine?
How dare you, Mama? How dare you? Try it next time and I'll rip your stomach open. stupid witch.
Ijoma, face reality. Face reality and stop being stupid. Ugobuzuo is dead and gone. He's not coming back.
Whether he's coming back or not, I am still not going to marry Ojemba. It is never going to happen.
It will, oh. Ijoma, whether you like it or not, Ojemba you marry. What is wrong with you, this girl? Do you want to grow old in your father's house?
And what is wrong if I do? When has it become an abomination for a woman to decide she's not getting married? Is it an abomination for a woman to decide she wants to live out her old age in her father's house?
In case you don't know, yes. Ijoma, it is an abomination. I didn't grow old in my own father's house. Why should you, my daughter, grow old in hers? Ijoma, that will never happen. Not when I am alive. You better get that into your head. Nonsense.
Mama, come to think of it, Ojemba is not even from this kingdom.
Which is why marrying him is the best thing that will ever happen to us in this family. Haven't you noticed that Amakeze has fallen apart and will soon die of hunger? Ojemba is from an extremely wealthy kingdom. Have you thought of what will happen to us if you eventually get married to him? Ijoma, our lives will change for good. Our lives will change forever.
Mama, so you are actually marrying me off for money?
Do you not realize how desperate I am? Can't you see your younger ones are dying of hunger? Are you not hungry yourself? Ijoma, stop being selfish and insensitive and put an end to this.
Well, Mama, Papa is dead. You can as well marry Ojemba if you want.
Oh, really? Ijoma, Ugobuzo is dead. He is dead and gone. He is never coming back to you. Get that to your head. Nonsense. The earlier you accept it, the better for us in this house. What is wrong with you? Nonsense.
That is him. Who are you and what do you want?
You prayed to the gods, and they sent us here to bring you home.
And we are also here to pay our respect to a man who should be king.
Yes, we are here to slay any spirits or animals that may try to disrupt this mission. Because we are here to take you home at any cost.
Just like that? After all these years?
Yes, of course. You of all people should understand that the ways of the gods cannot be same with the ways of men.
I'm not going back to that The battle has been won, and we are victorious. Rejoice! So you all expect me to go back to that same kingdom that despised me, the same kingdom that turned their backs on me, the same kingdom that have so much hatred in me, and go back and continue living like nothing happened? I will not. I am not going anywhere.
Ugobuzwe. Ugobuzwe. That is not what we are saying. That is not what we are saying. All we are asking is for you to go home with us and give us the opportunity to make things right. That is it.
Yes.
Exactly. You are right.
You do not have the heart of a woman who can be truly repentant. What makes you think I can forgive you easily and help you out again?
Great one. I know you'll forgive me and help me out again. Because I am ready to do whatever you want me to do. My husband is dead, so I can live out here with you as long as you want.
Your husband is dead? You succeeded in killing him?
Not exactly, but I'm glad he is.
I know why you are here, but what you want me to do will cost you far more than you are offering.
You can take whatever you want. I don't care. I am a desperate woman.
Very desperate?
By all means.
Absolutely sure?
Very absolutely sure.
Well then.
Right. Thank you, Ekoba. I knew I can always count on you.
Woman, why didn't you tell me there are 7 representatives of the gods?
I'm sorry, great one. I'm sorry. Isn't there nothing more you can do? Eh? Hi. Ugobu Zuo must not come back. I heard he'll be crowned king. Not after all my efforts. No, mbanu no memenu. I cannot be humiliated like this.
You are like a terminal disease. You don't give up. Just when the patient thinks it's over, you strike again. You will never give up. Do you?
I don't. I cannot. And I won't give up till the end.
I sense danger. Something is not right here. Let's move. Let's move. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Go, go, go. Come on. Move, move, move.
What a strike attempt! So childish. It is only a foolish man that sees himself equal to the gods. No! 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 He who digs a hole shall fall into it.
He who rolled a stone against others, have it roll back to him and crush him.
He who sets a net for others to fall into, shall himself be caught in that net.
Shall we repay evil with evil?
No! We shall deliver the innocent from evil.
Using everything we've got.
And that is what we shall do!
You do not have the heart of a woman who can be truly repentant. What makes you think I can forgive you easily and help you out again?
Great one, I know you'll forgive me and help me out again. Because I am ready to do whatever you want me to do. My husband is dead, so I can live out here with you as long as you want.
Your husband is dead? You succeeded in killing him?
Not exactly, but I'm glad he is.
I know why you are here, but what you want me to do will cost you far more than you are offering.
You can take whatever you want. I don't care. I am a desperate woman.
Very desperate?
By all means.
Absolutely sure?
Very absolutely sure.
Well then.
Thank you, everyone. I knew I can always count on you.
Woman, why didn't you tell me there are 7 representatives of the gods?
I'm sorry, great man. I'm sorry. Isn't there nothing more you can do? Eh? Ugobuzuo must not come back. I heard he'll be crowned king. Not after all my efforts. No, mbanu no memenu. I cannot be humiliated like this.
You are like a terminal disease. You don't give up. Just when the patient thinks it's over, you strike again. You will never give up. Do you?
I don't. I cannot. And I won't give up till the end.
No! It is only a foolish one that sees himself as equal to the gods.
Drink this. Drink this, my king.
Can't you see that all hope is lost?
No, my king.
They are all dead.
No, they are not. My king, take this. Drink this, my king. My king. My king. My king. My king. No, my king. My king. My king. Please don't die on me. What did you get? My king. Your Majesty. Hey.
Is there nothing more you can do? Huh? Are you going to sit back there and watch them succeed in bringing him back? Ekowa, you need to do something. You have to stop them.
Yes, I will. I have come to understand that there is only one way, and that is to keep striking.
Which way? Which way? Where do we go from here?
It's done. Now they can understand
I am that man who uses the venom of a snake
as drinking water.
Ogugule!
You have done well.
Thank you very much, Ekoba. You are most welcome. Oh, now I have to return home. I need to go get my belongings so I can come back here and spend some time with you, devoting all my time for you. Be fast about that. Ogugule! What a chokata ike bu nne ya ike bu nne Oh, gini! Ugomma! Chimo! Uganda! Where is that stupid man? Where is that foolish man? You are useless. Is this what I get after 7 days? After all I have done for you? You have succeeded in killing my children.
I asked you if you were ready to pay the price that would come from Ugobuzu's death. And your answer was yes. What were you expecting? To take a life, you must give a life.
Yes.
Ugobuzu's death has always been what you wanted. So deal with it.
Yes. You are right. To take a life, you need to sacrifice another.
It is you. It is you who has
You
put
ended my life when you killed my children.
It is you.
Here, let's go.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
No.
You're
Great servants of the gods.
No.
You're welcome.
Igwe! My son, I'm happy to welcome you back home. I know you will be surprised by all these events. Yes. But of a truth, Amake's the kingdom has wronged you dearly. And for that, the kingdom has practically collapsed. We don't know where to begin to atone for our sins. But of a truth, the redemption of this kingdom lies on your shoulder. And our king, before his passing, may his soul rest in peace, left his crown for you.
What?
Yes. You are the king of Amakeze.
You are the king. Yes. Who's where?
Uzue, Noah. I want you to know that this might be a little difficult for you. It might be a little strange for you, it might be tough for you. But you have worthy people to help you. We'll walk you through this. I promise you, and you will not be alone. We'll walk you through everything. Yes. Welcome back, my king.
What about Adaku? Where is she?
As your name rightly implied, and especially in this context, Ugobuzu Ochake, Ugobuzugo Ochakeru, you're no longer the normal or usual Ugobuzu. You are now the king in Ugobuzu. My son, I hope you still remember that we, your uncles, are also members of this royal council. We cannot come out easily from the guilt that is still haunting us on how we backed you off from you, on how we backed off from you when we are supposed to have defended you. But my son, please, I promise, from now henceforth, we shall be your backbone. Yes. Please. Ugobuzu Ochake.
Yes, my son. You can come into the palace.
Come.
Come. Don't be afraid. This is your palace now. Come, my son.
Ugobuzu,
Come. Igwe.
Igwe.
Come into the palace.
One more thing.
You have nothing to be afraid of.
Igwe, one more thing. Let us say that these days of your stories are expired. Now is a new era. If you will accept the king's staff of this throne, we celebrate you because.
Wow. Hey, Macau.
Thank you.
I take it you're heading to the palace.
Oh, yes. But still, before a man becomes a king, there must be a woman by his side. I'm definitely going to be that woman.
Oh, I wish you luck. But I also want
Thank
to let you know that there will be other ladies competing with you today, so there's every possibility
I will win. The only possibility is for me winning. So you don't even dare say anything on the contrary.
Oh, forgive me, my lady. You are right. I should be wishing you all the best.
Thank you.
Now, but hey, Makai. Hey, you call rice. You look at my zook.
Thank you.
At the same time, I also want to know that if things not work out the way you want to, just know that I'll be available to you, my God. Chineke. What did I do now? Just trying to help her.
Ijoma, you are insane. And you've completely lost your mind.
Mama, you have always wanted me to marry Ojemba. And now I have finally agreed. Why have you suddenly changed your mind? Where exactly do you stand?
Apparently, I stand nowhere. Tell me the truth, Ijoma. Is it that you have a mental problem? Or you don't know what you want in this life?
Mama, please. These insults are too much. I mean, I'm giving you what you want on a platter of gold. Why don't you just take it and let me be?
Ijoma. Ijoma, Ugobuzo is back. And Amakaze kingdom is returning back to his former glory. He is about to be crowned king. King! In fact, as you're sitting here whiling away your time, there are maidens in the palace who are currently about to do a dance competition for him to choose his wife. And here you are sitting, thinking on how to get married to that loser from a nameless kingdom.
Oh, really? So Ojemba, the man from the extremely wealthy kingdom, is now a loser from some nameless kingdom? Indeed, change is the only constant thing in life.
Ijoma,
You can call it whatever you like. I don't care.
Mama, I am not denying the fact that I have feelings for Ogobuzuo. But the painful reality about this whole thing is that he has been back for days and he hasn't even bothered to look for me. So how am I sure he still remembers me? How am I even sure he still wants to be with me?
Ugobuzo loves you. Ijoma, go for your love. Go for your love. Huh. Go for your love and save me this stress.
Your Majesty, the maidens are ready for you. Is there any problem?
To tell you the truth or no, I don't think I feel up to this.
Your Majesty, you have to do this. Let me tell you, before you be crowned a king, totally, you must pick a maiden to be your wife. And Your Majesty, I'm one of those who are waiting eagerly to see you become the king of this nation.
I understand, no, but I don't think someone should mate to select a life partner on a whim.
Your Majesty, is there a maiden you want to marry? Is there a maiden in this kingdom you want to be your wife? All you need to do is just to tell me her name, and we go in search of her immediately.
Indeed, there is a maiden. But you cannot go in search of her.
What?
Considering how long I have been in the forest, if there is any maiden who will wait for that long, then it is either she lost her heart to him, or she's totally insane.
Your Majesty, since you came back, have you made any proper inquiry? Just like I said before, all you need to do is just to give me her name and her parents' name.
And then what? Actually happily married like I predicted, then of what good would that be to me? Ichie, since all these years in the forest, she's the only one I had in mind. I loved her then, and I still love her now. But I'm not going to disgrace my honor as a king by letting a third party know that I'm in love with another man's wife.
My king, but we are not sure she's married. Let's make inquiries to find out if she's married or not.
Wrong. Listen, no. When two people are in love, it doesn't matter who goes to the other first. Not after so many years of separation.
Your Majesty, can you listen to yourself? You said it yourself. You said so.
Your Majesty.
Ichie, woman.
Ichie. It's been a minute, oh. Your Majesty, we're expecting you. Welcome.
He's in love with a young maiden. And since he came back, I have not seen her. You don't want to go in search of her. And he refused to choose a wife from the competition either.
Are you talking about Ijoma?
Do you know her?
Yes, we all know her. We all know they were in love, even before he got banished.
The young lady in question, where is she? Is she married or is she still single?
Oh, she's absolutely single. What have it that, she's rejected every suitor that has been coming to ask for her hand in marriage.
What?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Oh, no.
Let us know now, Your Majesty. Because Ijoma is not one of those girls out there. So we can, maidens, all those maidens out there. None of them is Ijoma. So we can send them packing.
Of what good will it be to you if you sit down here and assume the worst when you haven't even gone to him to see things for yourself? If the mountain don't come to you, go to the mountain.
Mama, I have waited for him. All these years I have waited. You and I both know how many suitors I rejected during that period. I am not going to further belittle myself by going to him.
Oh, really? You haven't even been to the palace. You haven't set your eyes on him. How are you sure of his feelings towards you?
Mama, in case you have conveniently forgotten, it is the man that goes to the woman and not the other way around.
Well, Ijoma, do not deny me the chance of being the mother-in-law to the king. Because if that happens, I will never, ever forgive you. You better go in there, get dressed, That competition you must attend. Else, you will kill me today in this house.
Mama, Ugobuzo has to come to me. I will not go to him. He has to come.
Sit down, wait for Ugobuzo to come for you. No.
Hey! Run! Run! Where's run? Ugobuzu, my son. Today, something new is going to happen in the kingdom of Amakeze.
Yes.
We are going to crown a new king. Ugobuzu here is to be crowned the new king of this kingdom. I will crown you today as our king. And it's a thing of joy in our kingdom.
Yes.
And I, as the kingmaker of this community, and the Onowu, I hereby declare today that you will be king.
You say,
and I stand by crowning you.
Hey.
I crown you, Ugobuzu one of Amakeze kingdom. I crown you in Afo. I crown you in Orie. And in Kwam, and again. Amen. Amen.
Cha. Amakeze. Gwagwan.
Yeah.
Gwagwan.
Yeah.
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 Hey.
And by the power vested on me as the Onowu and Kingmaker, I hand you over the staff of office of this kingdom. This staff was used by our ancestors, the first, second, and third king of Amakeze kingdom. Today, we are giving you this staff to be able to rule with justice and to make Amakeze a better kingdom than you made it. He said, Johnny Igwe! Johnny Igwe!
Rise, Igwe.
Your Majesty.
Lolo. Ọgaranya ngada ọgwụ iche gboro igwe Amakeze kere gwa munu
igwe ka anyị narị ya
Amakeze kere gwa munu
onye bụ na nwunye a na-ekwe ga ewe na-eme onye na-ekwe igwe na-eme.
The famine was lifted, but not before Amakeze kingdom made so much money from selling foods to other kingdoms. And that is why our kingdom is being referred to as number one. Well, son, let's say the gods of our land through a certain gifted young man.
Oh, greeting, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, the elders of Freedom Millie are here.
Oh no. Yes or no? And I also know why they are here.
You know?
Tell them if they will stop fighting each other like fools and learn to live a life free of greed and jealousy, that their problems will be solved. One of them is named Chinwendo, right?
Yes, you're right, Your Majesty.
Tell him to get rid of that poison in his pocket.
Poison?
Yes, he intends to use it on his brother.
What?
Tell him the next time he walks into my palace with an unclean substance, I will behead him.
Your Majesty, how do I deliver this message to them? Do I tell them it's a message, divination or revelation?